So functions 2 marks continuation. F of x is equal to root over x square minus 25. Root g of x greater than or is equal to 0. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So x minus of minus 5 into x minus 5 greater than or is equal to 0. Condition apply చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. F of x is equal to root over x minus step x. G of x greater than or is equal to 0. X is greater than or is equal to step x. The verification of step x with integer values and fractional values. Suppose I consider the value of x is equal to 3.2. 3.2 is greater than or is equal to step of 3.2. The value of step of 3.2 is step of 3.2 is 3. 3.2 is greater than 3. So decimal values exist. So 2 is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 3. Integer values. Step x, step 2 is equal to 2. Step 3 is equal to 3. Equalities also exist for integers. So it is defined for all real numbers. The domain of this one is R. F of x is equal to root over step x minus x. So same as it is. Root g of x. G of x greater than or is equal to 0. And step x is greater than or is equal to x. So two cases are exist. The first case is step x is greater than x. For verification of step function, simply put some decimal values or integral values. It is not defined for any real value of x. Suppose the value of x is equal to 2.5. The step of 2.5 is equal to 2 and 2 is greater than 2.5 is meaningless. At the same time, if x is equal to 3, step 3 is equal to 3 and 3 is greater than 3 is meaningless. So it is not defined for any real number. And second case, step x is equal to x. So first I consider greater than and next I consider equal to. So equalities exist for any integral value. Integral values means integer. Step 2 is equal to 3 is equal to 3, 4 is equal to 4. So it is defined for all integers. So the domain is Z. The domain is Z. And next one is log of. The domain of log function is x greater than 0. After the factorization, x minus 1 into x minus 3 is greater than 0. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0. Here the condition. And 1 by x plus mod x. The verification of mod x. The mod x is equal to plus x if x greater than 0. Mod x is equal to minus x if x less than 0. So the verification of mod x with positive real numbers and negative real numbers. Okay. So mod x not is equal to minus x. Verification with positive real numbers. If it is 2, 2 not is equal to minus 2. 3 not is equal to minus 3. So positive real numbers are exist. For negative real numbers, put x is equal to minus 2. Step of mod of minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 not is equal to minus into minus plus 2. So negative values does not exist. So the domain is only positive values, that means x greater than 0. So x greater than 0 means 0 to infinity. Okay. Right, next one is root over 9 minus x square. So 9 minus x square is greater than or is equal to 0. Multiplying with negative x square minus 9 is less than or is equal to 0. X minus alpha into x minus beta less than or is equal to 0. So x minus is a condition apply chain. So right, next one is root over 4x minus x square. Root g of x. G of x is greater than or is equal to 0. Multiplying with negative x square minus 4x less than or is equal to 0. Here the common value is x. X into x minus 4 less than or is equal to 0. And x minus 0 into x minus 4 is less than or is equal to 0. So the x belongs to closed interval 0, 4. So this is the domain. The next question is f of x is equal to 1 by x square minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay. A square minus b square. So this is as the form of 1 by g of x. g of x not is equal to 0. X plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 3 not is equal to 0. So x not is equal to minus 1, 1, minus 3. So remaining all real numbers are exist except minus 1, 1 and minus 3. So the domain is R minus set minus 3 comma minus 1 comma 1. And next question is 1 by 6x minus x square minus 5. So this is as a form of 1 by g of x. G of x not is equal to 0. So multiplication with negative. So minus into minus plus x square minus 6x minus into minus plus 5 not is equal to 0. After the factorization, x minus 1 into x minus 5 not is equal to 0. X not is equal to 1 comma 5. The domain is except 1 comma 5. That means R minus set 1 comma 5. And next one is, we just finish the sum about domains. So next we discuss about domain and ranges. Okay. The range is nothing but a set of all f images of elements in domain. ఏతో డొమైన్లో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో వాటి యొక్క ఇమేజెస్ని మనం రేంజ్ అని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. ఇఫ్ వీ నో ద డొమైన్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్, టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ద గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఈజీ. సో ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ f of x is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. So f of x by g of x form g of x not is equal to 0, x not is equal to 2. That means the domain of the given function is R minus single term 2. Okay. For the range, I consider the value of this one. I consider simply this one is y. Y is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. By using this, first we find out the value of x. X value find out here. Okay, na? After the cross multiplication, 2 into y, 2y minus xy is equal to 2 plus x. 2y minus y is equal to x plus minus of this one is plus xy. Here the common value is 2. 2 into y minus 1. Here the common value is x. X is x into y plus 1. The value of x is equal to 2 into y minus 1 by y plus 1. Here y is nothing but a range of the given function. That means the values of y is nothing but range of the given function. It is clear the given one is, that means 2 into y minus 1 by y plus 1 is defined if denominator is not is equal to 0. That means y plus 1 is not is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, this one is undefined. So clearly y is not is equal to minus 1. So the range of the given function is defined if R minus single term minus 1. So it is same as it is explanation about the domain. So domain lo elagaithe g of x 1 by g of x. So g of x not is equal to 0 అని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాము. సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సో రైట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫస్ట్ y కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి, దాని నుంచి x వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం. ఆఫ్టర్ ద ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ x, so right, that is equal to 2 into y minus 1 by y plus 1. So this is defined if denominator is not is equal to 0. So y not is equal to minus 1. So right, the range of the given function is R minus single term minus 1. Okay. Right, next one is most important question. This one is also f of x is equal to x by 1 plus x square. Domain 1 plus x square not is equal to 0 and x square not is equal to minus 1. It is perfect square, so definitely this one does not give any negative value. If it is the value of x is negative, definitely x square gives positive values only. So clearly for any value of x, this inequalities exist. So it is defined for all real numbers. For the range, simply consider the given function y is equal to x by 1 plus x square. So just now మనం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో రేంజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే దీని నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ. So y plus y into x square is equal to x. Yx square minus x plus y is equal to 0. So this has the form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is equal to y and b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to y. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus. So ఈ formula తెలుసు మీకు, రైట్, ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి. ఓకేనా? సో ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ x is equal to lastly, right, minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus root over b square. So minus 1 whole square plus 1. So 4 into a into b, y into y square, 4y square. This is defined if 1 minus 4y, that means this g of x is greater than or is equal to 0. And denominator y not is equal to 0. Same as it is. Domain ఎలా find out చేసాము, same as it is. So root is defined if it is greater than or is equal to 0 and this one is y not is equal to. Okay. So multiplying with negative, 4y square minus 1 is less than or is equal to 0. So write factors a square minus b square form. A square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b less than or is equal to 0. Dividing with 2, y plus 1 by 2 into y minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 0. So y belongs to closed interval alpha comma beta, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than or equal to 0. So except 0, that means y not is equal to 0. Y not is equal to 0. So single term 0. Okay. So but the value y equal to 0 is meaningless. 0 is also exist in range. Suppose if x is equal to 0, we know the value of y is equal to x by 1 plus x square. So 0 by 1 plus 0 square. So right, that is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, the value of y is equal to 0 is exist. So 0 exist avadani వచ్చింది, కానీ క్లియర్గా 0 exist అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి lastly we wrote the range of the given function is closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 2. So for this, so this is most important for 2 marks. And next one is f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 3x. So domain is g of x not is equal to 0. So except 2 by 3. And range is, for the range let y is equal to, ఇప్పుడైనా సరే రేంజ్ అన్నాడంటే y is equal to అని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాలి. దాని ఏ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, x వాల్యూ. ఓకేనా? సో 2y minus 3xy is equal to x. X plus 3xy is equal to 2y. And x is the common value. The value of x is equal to 2y by 1 plus 3y. It is defined 1 plus 3y not is equal to 0. 3y not is equal to minus 1 and y not is equal to minus 1 by 3. The range of f of x is r minus single term minus 1 by 3. Okay. And next one is f of x is equal to tan of pi of step x by 1 plus sin of pi of step x plus x square. The domain is defined for all real numbers. So step x, the value of step x is always integer. For any value of x, definitely step x is always equal to integer. So the value of